Hello everyone, welcome to Geeker Mag. In this video, I will guide you through how to change or customize crosshair settings in Battlefield 6. To get started, make sure you are on the Battlefield 6 main lobby. From here, navigate to Settings, cogwheel icon, using the R1 key on the controller. Now on the left side, switch to HUD tab. On the right side, scroll down until you reach the crosshair section. This is where all crosshair related customization options are available. First, you will see crosshair opacity, which let you control how transparent or visible your crosshair is. You can adjust this anywhere between 0 to 100 based on your preference. Next is crosshair intensity. This setting helps the crosshair stand out more clearly depending on the environment, especially in the bright or cluttered scenes. After that, open crosshair color. Here you can pick any color from the color palette. Choose something that contrasts well with the game visual for better accuracy. Moving on, you can change crosshair thickness as well. You will find three options: default, thin, thick. Select the one that feels most comfortable for your aiming style. Finally, there is an option called infantry crosshair projection. You can turn this on or off depending on whether you want projected crosshair resistance while aiming. And that's it. Using these settings, you can fully customize your crosshair and make it work best for your gameplay. I hope this helps. If you find this video useful, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.